Hello, I'm Robin from Seoul Law Group, and we're an English-speaking law firm based in Seoul, South Korea. We're back with another law video, and today we'll talk about Korean jurisdiction for international divorce. My spouse and I are both foreigners. Can we divorce in Korea? It depends on the case, but basically yes, according to the Supreme Court decision 2017 MEU 12552, decided February 4th, 2021. Well, what is jurisdiction? Jurisdiction is the authority of a sovereign power to govern or legislate a certain area. Simply saying, it is a matter of which court is to rule this case. If a certain court has jurisdiction, it means that the certain court can judge a certain case, so you can file your lawsuit to the certain court. The jurisdiction of a civil lawsuit is decided by the Korean Civil Procedure Act. To enhance the judicial economy and ensure the defendant's right to defense, the Korean Civil Procedure Act has some rules such as Articles 2 and 3. Article 2. General Forum. A lawsuit is subject to the jurisdiction of a court at the place where a defendant's general forum is located. Article 3. General Forum of Person. General forum of a person shall be determined by his or her domicile, provided that where the person has no domicile in the Republic of Korea or his or her domicile is unknown, it shall be determined pursuant to his or her residence, and if the residence is unfixed or unknown, it shall be determined pursuant to his or her last domicile. A simplified version of Article 2 and 3 is as follows. The court that you can file a lawsuit is the nearest court, not always though, to the defendant's address, domicile, official address. Why? From the eyes of the law, this is one of the good ways to enhance the efficiency of litigation. It is called judicial economy, and to guarantee the defendant's right to defense. The closer the distance between a court and a defendant, the more convenient for the defendant to participate. Similarly, from Article 2 to 25, Korean civil procedure has various rules to determine the jurisdiction, and they all have the same purpose, a quick, easy, and efficient civil suit. The jurisdiction regarding family litigation. Under similar principles, the jurisdiction of family litigation is decided. Family Litigation Act article defines the jurisdiction regarding marriage and divorce as follows. Article 22, Jurisdiction. Litigation over a nullify or revocation of marriage or divorce, or over a judicial divorce shall be subject to the exclusive jurisdiction of family courts under the classification of the following subparagraphs. 1. When the married couple has a general forum in the district under jurisdiction of the same family court, the family court. 2. When a general forum of either side of the married couple exists in the district under jurisdiction of the family court wherein they had the last common domicile, the family court. 3. In cases which does not fall under subparagraphs 1 and 2, when either side of the married couple institutes a litigation against the other party, the family court in the location of a general forum of the other party, and when the litigation is against both of the married couple, the family court in the location of a general forum of one of them. A simplified version is as follows. A married couple can divorce in the family court of their domicile, or they can divorce in the family court of their last common domicile. If they do not have any last common domicile, then they can divorce in the family court of the defendant's domicile. Jurisdiction for an international divorce lawsuit. At this point, you may have a question. I'm a foreigner and I live outside of Korea, so I don't have a domicile. Do these rules apply to me? Do I still have a jurisdiction in a Korean court? The answer is yes, according to the Supreme Court decision 2017 MEU 12552, decided February 4, 2021. For foreigners to conduct litigation, what matters in the first place is the Act on Private International Law. The Act on Private International Law, Article 2, defines as follows. Article 2, International Jurisdiction. 1. In case a party or a case in dispute is substantively related to the Republic of Korea, a court shall have the international jurisdiction. In this case, the court shall obey reasonable principles compatible with the ideology of the allocation of international jurisdiction in judging the existence of the substantive relations. 2. A court shall judge whether it has the international jurisdiction in the light of jurisdictional provisions of domestic laws and shall take a full consideration of the unique nature of international jurisdiction in the light of the purpose of the provision of paragraph 1. In a nutshell, substantial relation to South Korea is required in order to file a lawsuit in Korean court. In conclusion, in order to file a divorce suit against your spouse, you do not have to be a Korean, nor do you need a domicile in Korea. On the other hand, if the cause of your judicial divorce or your property to be divided is in Korea, then you can file a divorce lawsuit in the Court of Korea for the efficiency and convenience of your lawsuit. If you have trouble filing a divorce lawsuit in Korea, Seoul Law Group is here to help you. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or concerns about international divorce in Korea, let us know in the comment section below, and you can find more info on SeoulLawGroup.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more Korean law videos, and we hope to see you next time. Goodbye.